Chip Allen. I'm a draftsman for Saul Lewitt. I've been doing this for 5 years. There's about two or three of us who are doing these drawings who actually never met Saul Lewitt, and I'm one of them. So, everything I picked up is from the assistants who spent years doing it with him and developing these techniques. So each one is really kind of its own experience. It's an earlier piece from, I think, 1970 originally, and it's basically a wall divided into 4 quadrants by a line from either corner, and then within each quadrant there's a series of lines, 3 sets superimposed on top of each other. It's basically 4 different combinations of 4 lines. So there's one which is a vertical black line, 2 which is a horizontal yellow line, 3 which is from bottom left to top right, diagonal, and then 4 which is top left to bottom right, diagonal. Each one is a different color. So yeah, it's red from bottom left to top right, and blue from top left to bottom right. This one took us 5 weeks. Yeah, pretty much 5 weeks, about 5 or 6 days a week. There was 3 of us. Marley and Jeff were holding basically either end of the stick for 5 weeks, and I was drawing the lines for 5 weeks. So it's a real team process. There's a certain set of circumstances that surround each drawing that makes them unique, not counting the drawing itself. The space, the wall, the light, the people, the logistics of it, and then, the actual drawing, putting the lines on the wall, which consists of drawing 3 at a time, separated by the same width lead. So basically you have these pencil leads that go into a mechanical pencil holder. They're 2 millimeters wide, and you're drawing 3 of them at the same time. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, it's kind of crazy. You spend 5 weeks working on a thing, and then what I love about these is you can barely see it, but it's there. It's very ephemeral. They're literally sort of infused into the architecture of the space. It's not hung. It lives with the museum, essentially. It lives with the owner's space.